I just finished shooting that roll of Arista 200 and I was refusing to come out of that camera. And the results were pretty good. Now, considering it's a affordable film and doesn't have the fine grain or high sharpness of Tri-X 200, which is what I normally shoot when I shoot black and white film, I am pretty happy with the results. Now, I shot this roll of film using the Holga. And for those who don't know, the Holga is a camera made entirely out of plastic. Even the lens is plastic. And it has no electronic components, or it doesn't use a battery. And the results you get with this camera can be very dreamlike and surreal. And the reason I chose to use this camera is because I never shot in this particular location using the Holga. So join me as I take pictures along the Atchafalaya River in Morgan City and Berwick. Yeah.